Open the card slot cover. This is the back of the memory card. This is the front of the memory card. Insert the front of the memory card into the device. Insert the screw and tighten it. Align the bracket with the host bracket hole. After inserting the piece into the screw, place it into the bracket hole of the machine. When tightening the first screw, do not tighten it directly. You need to tighten the other screw first and then tighten the first one. Choose the appropriate gasket based on the handlebar. Insert the piece into the screw. Put in the screw. Install nut. Tighten with a wrench. Loosen the screws on the camera bracket and take it out. Place the bracket under the seat. Insert the screw and tighten it with a wrench. Insert the piece into the screw. Align the camera with the bracket hole and insert the screw. Install nut, tighten with a wrench. Loosen the bracket to adjust the camera angle. After adjustment, tighten the bracket. Tear off the Velcro. Fix the Velcro to the taillights with screws. Then fixed on the seat pole. Choose the appropriate gasket according to the back pole. After the selection, fix it on the seat pole with screws. It is installed in the same way as the taillight bracket. Fix the light shield on the display screen with screws. Tear off the adhesive tape. Paste it in the appropriate position. Choose whether to use extension cable based on the bag. Connect the wired controller, camera, GPS, and taillight to the corresponding connection ports of the main unit. Use cable TIs to organize the cables. When connected to the charging cable, it can be connected to a power bank, supports simultaneous charging and recording. When not in use, it is recommended to cover the waterproof bar. Long press the P button to start the machine. The tail light will light up together. Short press the up button once to turn off on the microphone. Short press the OK button once to pause recording. Long press the OK button to enter the main menu interface. Select the playback icon to view the video on the memory card. Long press OK to return. Select the settings icon. Multiple functions can be set. Long press OK to return. Select language icon. Multiple languages to choose from. Long press OK to return. Long press the down button on the wire controller to enter the auxiliary display mode, and the first interface will display the driving speed. Short press the down button again to enter the GPS information interface. Short press again the down button to enter the current mileage of short-term memory interface. Short press again the down button to enter the current mileage of long-term memory interface. Short press again the down button to enter the year, month, and day interface. Long press the down button to exit the assisted driving interface. Short press the function button once to enter the emergency recording mode. Long press the function button to turn on, off the recorder. There is a forget reminder after shutting down. Short press the up button to switch between different lighting modes. Short press the down button can also switch between different lighting modes. Long press OK button to turn on the tail light. Enter the Wi-Fi setting interface of the phone. Find the corresponding Wi-Fi name starting with V-SYS. Enter the number to connect to Wi. Open the app. Click Preview. Click Online to view the files in the memory card. Click the Edit button in the upper right corner to delete or download video files. After downloading the video, you can go to the local page to play or edit the video to share with others. The settings page can set the loop video time, sound record, reset camera, and other functions.